This facility has been designed for extreme collaboration. There is enough space for seats, there is enough space for meeting rooms. The other thing is that people are working now, the millennials in general, they like to work from any place. There has been a shift in the way the workplace has been designed to move from a my place to any place environment. That is very distinct in this particular building. NetApp is an ISO certified platinum LEED building, and plus that we have an ISO 14000 certified building. So we have been maintaining the environmental standards. We are working on improving it incrementally, so you would see small changes that we are doing to contribute to the environment. I really love working in NetApp because of the culture and the people, and plus there's so many employee engagement initiatives that we conduct. We have 2 events every quarter, and a couple of them are large. We have a cafeteria here which has 1,000 plus seats. Do you know it runs 24/7? We have a gym, 10,000 square foot gym, a fitness center, and it's a fully equipped one. It runs 24/6. We have a huge landscape out here. It's a 14-acre campus, a building which is 1 million square feet. The rest all is open area. So the place has been kept open, hassle-free for people to take a nice walk in the park and feel energized when they get back to work. Beer Bash is the biggest differentiator for NetApp, I would say, because no other company in India hosts a Beer Bash. Beer Bash is organized every Friday, so between 5 to 6:30, and we have more than 600 to 700 employees sitting there and socializing, getting to know each other. NetApp has a very employee-friendly culture. We would like employees to have that experience from day one. So we have new employees who join us. On day one, they are provided with a transport pickup from home to the office so that they have a hassle-free day one. NetApp runs 24/7 transport operations. So we have nodal transport for our employees who come from various parts of Bangalore. And we also run shuttles to the nearest metro station. This is a sustainable initiative that we have undertaken because we do not want people to keep driving and add to the carbon footprint of the city. We have pickup and home drop facility for all shift employees. And if you just want to know the scope of operation, all our vehicles run more than 8,000 kilometers a day on innumerable trips. I would like to highlight on the safety and security aspects that we undertake. We have an app-based solution where people can book in. They have an SOS facility in that app. The numbers are masked so that there's easy communication between the user and the driver. We have quarterly women safety sessions. Especially, we also invited a police police inspector kind of answers their queries, not only related to transport, but anything and everything that they need to be aware of when they are on the road and what are the safety measures they need to undertake. We have all our employees who travel to the airport and back. All the women employees as well as the male employees, they are provided with security guards. So we have had 0 incidents as far as our safety related activities are concerned with travel to the airport. We have a cafeteria which is 25,000 square feet. And it can seat about 1,000 people. Plus, we have an al fresco area where we can have 200 seats. Employees have a varied option. They have cuisines which can be varying from South Indian to continental to Thai and Asian cuisine. They can avail breakfast right up till dinner and even midnight snacks. The kitchen is a 5-star rated kitchen, and we organize kitchen tours on every Wednesday for employees to actually see how the food comes onto the plate. NetApp is the largest steel building of this size in Bangalore. So NetApp facility is very high on sustainability. We use solar power generation. When you look at this building, the lighting system is fully automated. We harvest the ambient light. We make sure that the power consumed for lighting is minimal. The entire building is run on a building management system. We control the air conditioning, we control the power usage, we control the lighting. When you look at the rainwater harvesting system that we have installed here, not a single drop of water is wasted. All the waste that is water that is generated, we have a STP plant We clean, use the water for our landscape, we use it for our flushings. We have a huge eco pond that can store about 30 lakh liters of water. In NetApp facility, we use the diesel rotary UPS systems. So these are diesel generators which also have the power to provide you uninterrupted power supply. So we have eliminated use of batteries. So you will not find a UPS in this building. So that's also our contribution towards the environment.